Details now coming in on that story that we're tracking. We will get you more on that. My colleague Gauri and Himanshu are tracking that. Meanwhile, there's some more news that's coming in at the moment, some big breaking news. We understand the MEA now has, in a briefing, spoken on the relationship between Turkey and Pakistan and the support that Turkey had given to Pakistan amid India-Pakistan conflict. We understand now this statement that came in said that we expect Turkey to strongly urge Pakistan to end its support to cross-border terror and take credible and verifiable actions against the terror ecosystem it has harbored for decades. Well, India has also said that relations are built on the basis of sensitivities to each other's concerns. All right, my colleague Gauri Dwivedi with us on the broadcast here. It's a strong message, Gauri, here to Turkey from India.
It's the strongest message that New Delhi has sent out to Ankara, Kitty. In no uncertain terms, New Delhi has said that Turkey needs to be very mindful of the fact that when it is supporting Pakistan, when it is actually a war against terror, then India is watching. India is paying a very close attention to the kind of military support that Pakistan is getting from Turkey. The fact that New Delhi's concerns regarding terrorism that is coming in from Pakistan is being ignored by Turkey again and again has been pointed out in no uncertain terms. And this is something that we need to tell our viewers as well, Kitty, that Pakistan is actually the second largest buyer of Turkey's equipment now, the Turkey's weapons, second largest. 10% of Turkish military weapons actually now are bought by Pakistan. $1.5 billion. A country that doesn't have money to feed its people has all the money to buy weapons from Turkey. Why is that happening? Because there is a larger collaboration between Turkey and Pakistan in terms of a common alignment on how they view their roles in the region, and which is why India has been very categorically telling Turkey that they are watching how Ankara is backing Pakistan, backing Islamabad when it comes to terror, and this is the strongest message that they have sent out, that New Delhi is paying very close attention to Erdogan's aspiration to try and play a larger role in the region, and New Delhi is saying do not do that.
Even as, well, we understand in the recent past, Turkey has been giving support to Pakistan when it came to the India-Pakistan conflict also. This definitely is hurting the ties between Turkey and India. I mean, how do we see that, Gauri?
During Operation Sindoor, one saw that all the drones that Pakistan had deployed had come from Turkey. There was a Turkish cargo plane that had landed in Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. So everybody saw, everybody knew what was happening. And in the backdrop of that, there is now a clear concern that has come in, and also a recognition that India's strategic interests now need to be protected when it comes to Turkey. And which is why you're seeing that boycott Turkey call also that's coming. Common people of India, you and I, and our viewers are now aware of how Turkey is looking to undermine India's strategic interests.
Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much, Gauri, for getting us all those details there. Big development are coming in, and a strong statement from the MEA at this point in time. Well, Turkey, we understand, has been facing a lot of backlash on its support to Pakistan. And here we understand with Turkey supporting Pakistan, the loser in this case is not India, but Turkey. Well, our relationships, of course, deteriorate, as well as tourism and other industries in Turkey that have been benefiting from India would also face losses.